Hi all, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm making a marble pretzel nail set. So we're starting out with prepared nail tips. They've already been buffed and base coated. And I'm just gonna go in with 2 coats of gel polish before moving on to the marble effect. And apologies here in the beginning, I'm a little bit out of frame with my titan, but once we move on to a second coat, I will be back within frame. So during this time, I'm just gonna play music until we'll start the marble effect. So at this point, I'm setting up my gel polish for the marbling effect that I'm going to make on these nails. And really there's no right or wrong way to do it, but it's up to you how you set up the polish and how you like it to flow onto the nail. And also for this one, I decided not to use a blooming gel because I didn't want the marble to move around too much. So I just used a regular top coat. And for the center nail, I decided to create kind of a blooming flower effect. And for that, the only thing I wish I had done differently was to use a purple that was a bit more of a contrasting color, because I think it gets a little bit lost. But that's definitely something I would change about and do differently the next time that I do a set like this. But there's no right or wrong way to do anything. So sorry guys, at this point my camera battery died and I didn't realize it. So you didn't get to see me put the rhinestones on and the charm. But we've seen that before. Didn't miss much. And there you have it. This set only took me about 20 minutes to create. It was very easy to do, very fun, and easy to customize. So if you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like, please do subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this, and I hope to see you again in the next one.